Hello everyone, my name is Răzvan Bologa from Romania and I am proud to be part of the EUvsVirus hackathon. Today I am going to present you our project. Our solution is an artificial intelligence educational engine that solves many problems related to remote online digital learning. With our solutions, teachers can easily orchestrate learning flows, they can perform remote tests, they can also organize and run educational hackathons, and they can manage makerspaces. Let me show you briefly our process architecture. Our AI engine takes content from open educational resources and from communities of content creators and delivers it to children with the assistance of a community of teachers, trainers, volunteers, parents, and university students. The AI engine has capabilities such as natural language understanding, text-to-speech, and contains instruments for encapsulating knowledge. With this AI engine, educators can create personalized, adaptive learning flows, and very importantly, they can define remote tests. They can also run hackathons, educational hackathons that children love. Now let's have a look at the platform. Assuming that you are a teacher with a registered class in our system, all you have to do is to send to the children a code. Once they type it in,
Hello, EUvsVirus. Are you ready to start?
The system, the AI engine, will start a virtual learning assistant, Ioana. We can talk to her.
Let's build the Miro robot. Welcome to our educational
She has started
hackathon.
an educational
Open the box
hackathon
and identify
flow,
the motors.
which is
Attach the motors to the
basically
smart
a
image mouse,
learning
as shown in
experience
this
where
video.
children
After you
have to
finished the
build
task,
and code
please
a
answer this
line
question.
follower
What was the type of screwdriver
robot
that you
in
used?
3 hours, and after that they are supposed to engage in a competition. Now, Ioana has a number of functionalities in our system. I will show to you some of them. For instance, children can ask questions, and they will get answers which are context related. So teachers are able to define their own custom knowledge base
Correct.
in
The
our
screwdriver has
system,
6 sides.
and
So it is a hexagon.
they will get
Continue.
very personalized answers to the questions. This is not information downloaded from the internet. This is coming from the internal knowledge
Step
database
2. Mounting the ensemble.
that the teachers
Attach
can
the
define
motors
easily.
in their mount to the large orange mounts.
Now,
shown in this video.
here you
After
can
have
see
finished
a
the
number of
task,
other
please
questions.
answer this question.
Let me explain
What
to you
material
a
is
few
not
additional functionalities. So the main functionality of our engine is the fact
The
that
orange mount is made of plastic
teachers
that
can
continue.
orchestrate very detailed learning flows. They can configure the system
Step 3.
to
Mounting
take
the ball
the
wheel.
children
Fix
step
the
by
ball wheel
step
on the
through
rear end
very
of the robot.
complex
Following this video,
technologies,
after you have finished the
and
task,
they
please
can
answer this
also
question.
define
Why is the ball wheel
ideas
necessary?
that the system must recognize in the conversation with the children and reply automatically to
Correct.
them.
The ball wheel will keep the rear end of the robot
So,
off the ground
the system
when it
is
comes to
capable
the
to
added benefit of
orchestrate
great mobility.
personalized
Continue.
learning. So each child gets his or her own learning experience. Instead of seeing one long video of 1 or 2 hours, children
Step 4.
will be
Attaching
able
the motor driver. Mount
to
the
put
motor
together
driver shield on the rear
in
end of the
their
robot. Following
learning
this video
time
after you
small
have
pieces
finished the
of
task,
information
please
that are
answer this
relevant
question.
to
Why do
their
you need the motor
learning
driver
needs.
shield you just installed?
This is a major progress. Another very interesting functionality is the fact that teachers are able to
Correct.
get
The motor driver shield lets us
feedback
control the
from the virtual learning
assistant.
assistant. So the virtual learning assistant will collect logs, will analyze them,
Correct.
and will
Step
send
5.
back
Connecting
to the
motors.
teacher
Wire the motors as shown in this
alerts
video.
related to the
After you have
children that
finished
are
the
in
task,
difficulty,
please answer this
and
question.
the teachers will
Why
be
do you
able
need
to
to
contact
connect the
them and
motors
talk
to
to
the
them.
motor driver shield?
So apart from hackathon flows, teachers can easily define learning flows which are related to 1 or 2 hours lessons. However, a very important functionality of our system is the fact that teachers can define tests that can be used remotely. Please keep in mind that our system was designed to be used remotely by a large number of children. For instance, right now we have a hackathon with 30,000 registered users, and it is running very well. Let's log in with a teacher interface to show the way a test looks like. You can see here an interface in Romanian. We did our best to translate some learning flows in English. However, we are running most of our pilot projects in Romania, so naturally the language is local. I'm going to show you a test which is running right now. There are thousands of children that have taken this test. So what's unique about our tests? The fact that the teacher can define ideas and the system will generate automatically questions that are different from one child to another, and obviously the answer to those questions, to the generated questions, will also be different. So it is not possible for children to copy, because each child gets his own personalized question with a different answer. However, the basic idea behind the questions is always the same. So this is quite a unique randomizer, because what you can get on the market right now are randomizers that will change the order of the answers or other static features. How do we do this? We have a knowledge base. You can see it here, the testers knowledge base. And in this knowledge base, the teachers can load ideas and templates for questions, and the system will automatically generate specific personalized questions for each child. This solves a major problem, the remote testing. There are major difficulties right now related to how teachers can test their children in a reliable way when the children are not in the same room with the teachers. Obviously, frauds are likely. So our system solves the problem by generating different questions based on the same ideas. As you can see here, we also support some languages. We have 4 languages here. We can extend technically the system to a total number of 23 languages. In the end, please allow me to present you a few images from our pilot projects.